Hello, Mayan.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Very good. So, how's your day going?
Yeah, I'm go to school all day.
Well, that's nice because you had a very long holiday, right? Since Saturday, I think
Yes,
so. Okay. Anyway, did you just got home right just now?
yes.
Great. Okay, so have you eaten dinner already or not yet?
Eat dinner at not yet.
What's not yet. Great, Mayan. Okay, so Mayan, today we'll be talking about family. Okay, so how do you define family, Mayan?
My family has have 5 people. Uh, my dad, my mom, my brother, my sister, and me.
Very good. Okay, but what is a family? If you're going to define or to give the meaning of a family, what is family?
It's oh uh
Yeah. There's no wrong or correct
uh
answer here.
oh my gosh.
Don't feel pressured. Okay, you can also say like, oh, family is my happiness. Like that. That's already a definition of a family. Okay, or you can also say family is everything to me. Oh, that's already your own definition of family. There's no wrong or correct answer here, Mayan. So what is family for you?
Uh, my family have everything I do it and everything I want.
Very good. Okay, so they are everything that you want in this world. Nice, Mayan. Okay, so Mayan, look at this. Wow, what a very happy family are they. Okay, how many people are there in their family?
Yeah, is 4 people in the family.
Yes, that's right. Wow, the girl is so beautiful, right? I love her hair. Yes. Okay,
Yes.
and also this boy looks so cute. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Okay. So Mayan, let's take a look at the content of this lesson. Okay, so here it is divided into three. We will have the vocabulary, reading and questions, and discussion. So let's start with the vocabulary. Okay, look,
Mother.
listen, and say mother.
Mother.
Very good. Okay. So Mayan, could you please describe your mother? How do you describe your mother?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, just like me.
I don't know this
My
one.
mom, describe. When we say describe, this is when you tell something about that person. For example, I'm going to describe my mom. My mom is beautiful. She always smile. She's a hardworking person and she is very patient. She's got a long, straight, she's got a straight, long black hair. Okay, so that is already describing my mom. That's how I describe my mom. What about your mom? Can you describe your mom?
Yeah, my mom is so young. She has long black hair and big eyes with white skin.
Very good. Okay, so now what about the personality of your mom?
Hmm. She's so friendly
Very good.
and sometimes
And
she was angry to me.
was that she?
Sometimes she was angry.
Oh, sometimes she is angry to you. Why? Okay. If you don't mind me asking, what are the things that makes your mom angry towards you?
Oh yes.
What do you do?
Because I sometimes I don't do homework
Yeah.
and I play games.
Yeah, that is normal. Of course, our mom would be very angry with that. Even me, my mom will get mad at me just because I didn't clean the room or just because I eat and I didn't wash the dishes. Or sometimes
Yes.
I would just leave my shoes outside and not put it in the shoe rack. Then she would yell at me and say like, "You are always like that. You never grow up." Blah 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 blah. Yes, and that is, yeah, that is them being a mother. And you know what, May? And one day we will become like them too once we are a mother. Okay. Anyway, next we have here
Father.
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 Okay. So how do you describe a father? I mean, how do you describe your father?
Hmm. My father looks so old.
Hmm.
Yeah, and she has a curly hair. Yeah, and small eyes and a brown skin.
Nice. Okay, what about his personality?
Sometimes he friendly, but sometimes he was it look like my mom.
Oh, just like your mom. He gets mad to you sometimes
Yeah,
too, right? Yes. And that is actually okay. It doesn't mean that just because they're mad to us, then they don't love us. Of course, they still love us because they care for us. And that's why they are mad because they love us.
yeah.
Okay. So, Mayan, if you are going to define father, what is father? For example, a
Hmm.
father is someone who provides all my needs. What about you? What is a father?
He buy everything I need.
Yes. Okay, what are those things that you need, Mayan, that your dad buys?
Mm, like uh, he buy to me iPhone or clothes or some present.
Very good. Okay. So, Mayan, you mentioned that your mom is so young and your dad looks so old. Yeah. If you don't mind me asking again, how old is your mom and dad?
My mom is 41 years old and my dad for 44 years old.
Ah, maybe your dad looks so old because he works so hard to provide everything that you need. Yes, and he
Yeah.
works overtime. Does he work overtime?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm,
Okay, that's why your
yes.
dad looks like that. So that he can provide everything that you wanna ask. Oh, excuse me. Okay, now next we have here
Parent.
parents.
Parents.
Okay, so Mayan, what are parents?
Parents look like my dad or my mom or my uncle.
That's right. They are parents as long as they have children, just like your uncle and aunt. If they have a child, they are parent. Okay. So now, what about this? Okay, say grandfather.
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 Very good. Okay, how many grandfather do you have, Mayan?
Mm, I have two
Wow,
grandfather.
okay. So how old are your grandfathers?
Hmm. My grandfather is uh 85 years old, I think. And
Oh,
last grandfather is uh looks some 76 years old.
wow. Okay, they're so healthy and strong. Okay, because it's very rare to reach 85 years old these days, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, if you're going to describe your grandfather who is 85 years old, how will you describe him?
Yeah, him so angry. And I don't like that.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, you mean he easily gets mad?
Yes.
Okay. So instead of saying he is so angry, okay, you can say he is short-tempered. Okay, by the way, when we say
Yes.
short-tempered, this is a person who easily gets mad. For example, my sister would go in my room while I am having a class. Then I would say, Paula, get outside, blah, 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 blah. And I get mad easily. So that is me being a short tempered person, just like your grandfather. He easily gets mad. So he is short tempered. Yes. Okay, now what about
Yeah.
your second grandfather? How will you describe him?
Him he has white hairs. Yeah, a white hair and very old.
Yes, but who looks older? The grandfather who is 85 years old or the other one who is 76 years old?
Is uh wait a minute.
Okay.
uh is a both pupil. It's
Oh,
two
both.
pupil.
Oh, both of them. Okay. You can say, Mayan, it's both of them.
Yes.
Can you please say?
Both of them.
Very good. Okay. So now next we have
Grandmother.
here grandmother.
Grandmother.
Okay. So do you still have two grandmothers, Mayan?
Can you speak again?
Yeah. Do you still have two grandmothers?
Yes.
Wow, you are very lucky because you have a complete grandmother and grandfather. You know what, me? Both sides of my uh parents already died. So I don't have grandparents anymore. I used to have when I was a kid, but they're gone now. Okay. Anyway, next we have here grandparents. So what are grandparents, Mayan?
Uh, Grandparent is uh like dad, my my uncle dad or mom.
Okay, thank you for that one. So when we say grandparents, this is when grandma plus grandpa. Okay, if we combine them, they are grandparents. Yes, just like
Yes.
parents, mom plus dad is parents. But if we say grandma plus grandpa, that's grandparents. All right,
Yes.
very good. Now we have here son, son plus daughter. That is children. But if we say grandson and granddaughter, that's grandchildren. Okay,
Oh, yes.
very
Brother.
good. Okay, now next we have here brother.
Brother.
Nice. Okay, do you have a brother, Mayan?
Yes.
Wow. How many brother do you have?
Wait. Uh, I have two brother.
Oh, so there are three children in your family. Is that right?
Hmm. I think
How many children are there in your family?
uh, it's four children, including me.
Wow, there are four. So you have one sister and two brothers. Is that correct?
Yes.
Ah, are
Yes.
you the eldest, Mayan? Are you are you
I don't
the eldest child?
know. Yes.
Okay. Do you know eldest?
Eldest.
Eldest
Uh,
means the oldest child in the family.
mm, yes.
Yes. Okay, how old is your sister?
Is 14 years old.
Very good. What about your brothers?
Is 8 years old.
Both of them are
And
8 years old. 8 and
8 and 2 years old.
okay. How about you? How old are you?
Like 14 years old.
14?
Yes, I'm eldest.
Oh, but your sister is also 14, right?
Oh,
Are you
my
twins?
sister is 8 years old.
Your
Yes,
sister. Oh, wait a minute. How old is your sister?
my sister is 8 years old.
Oh, 8. So yes, you are the eldest. Very good, Mayan. Thank you for that clarification. Now, next we have here.
Sister.
Sister.
Very good. If you were to describe your sister, how will you describe her?
She is so short.
I
Yes,
see.
she had a curly hair and a white skin.
Very good. Okay, what about her personality?
Uh, she is so friendly. Yeah, and she's so. Wait a minute. She's so humorous.
Yes. Okay, well, that's really nice. Okay, so, Mayan, I heard you saying this word. How do we pronounce this? Say humorous. Humorous.
Humorous.
Very good. Humorous is someone who is very funny. It comes from the word humor. Okay, then we have
Yes.
here humorous. Very good. All right, now next we have
Sister.
here. Oh, this is husband and wife. Okay, now look
Mm,
at the picture, Mayan. So which one is the husband?
Uh, husband is uh wait a minute.
Sure.
Oh, I don't know to stare husband.
Okay. So when we say husband, this is him. Yeah, the man in a man who is married to a woman, that is husband. Okay. So just like your father, he is the husband of your mom. We cannot say your dad is your husband. No, because your dad is never married to you. Okay, he is married to your mom. So your dad is the husband of your mom, and your mom, okay, is the wife of your dad. Can I say your mom is my wife? No, because we are not married. Okay, you can only call someone who is your husband if you are married to that person. Is that clear? Okay, now teacher AM.
Mm,
Oh, do you understand now or not yet?
mm, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, let me write this one. So here, when we say husband, this is a man who is married to you. Okay. For example,
Yes.
your dad, okay, is the husband of your mom. Okay. And
Yes.
your mom is the wife of your dad. Okay. Now we
Mm,
cannot say
yeah.
my dad is my husband. No, because my dad and I are not married. Only my mom and my dad is married to each other. That's why they can call husband and wife. Okay?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now my question, Mayan, is do you have a husband?
No.
Very good. Okay, now teacher AM, do you have a husband? No, I don't have a husband. Okay, I only have boyfriend. Okay,
Oh,
boyfriend
yes.
is someone who is in a relationship with you. And you cannot call this husband. Why? Because you're not married yet. Is that clear?
Yes.
Very good. Now, what about my boyfriend? Okay. What does he call me? He calls me girlfriend. Okay, once you are boyfriend and girlfriend, sooner or later or in the future, you will become husband
Yeah.
and wife only when you get married.
Yes.
Okay, great. So is that clear now, Mayan? Clear,
What?
right?
Can you say again?
Is that clear?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now look at
Sister.
this one. Huh? Why is this? These are cousins. Cousins.
Cousins.
Very good. So, Mayan, how many cousins do you have?
I have mm, one, two, three, four, five, five cousins.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, now what are cousins, Mayan? How will you define cousins?
Mm, I have four. I have five cousins, and is oh, wait a minute.
Sure.
Uh, hmm. I have four aunts and one. Oh,
You have, yes.
I have four aunts. Uh,
And how many children does your aunt have?
mm,
Okay,
is so many.
so many, very good. So when we say cousins, so these are the children of your aunt and uncle. All right.
Hmm.
Just like you have an aunt
Yes.
and an uncle. If they have children, then those children are your cousins. Okay. So who is your favorite cousin, Mayan?
Mm, is my uncle.
Oh, so your uncle
She,
is your cousin?
yes.
I'm confused. How old is your
Uh,
uncle?
my uncle was 26, I think that.
26 years old. Does he have a kid?
No, my uncle not have a kid.
Ah, okay. Then your uncle is not your cousin. Okay, who is the brother of your uncle? Is it your mom or your dad? Oh, who is the sibling of your uncle, mom or dad?
My mom.
All right. Then your uncle is not your cousin. He is your uncle because he is the brother of your mom. Okay. If
Yes.
your uncle is married and he has children, then those children of his are your cousins. Is that clear?
Oh, yes.
Yes, he is just your young uncle who is not married yet. Yes. Okay, so don't be
Mm,
confused with that. Okay, do you have an aunt who has children?
yes, I have four aunts,
Nice. Do they
and
all have children?
they, yes.
Very good. Then those children are your cousins. Nice. Okay,
Yes.
now Mayan, let's have a review by playing this game. So all you have to do is to choose the correct answer. Are you ready to play the game?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now look, who is it?
Hmm. It's like a brother.
Wow, very good. Okay, what about this one?
Oh, it's like grandfather.
That's right. What about this? Who is this?
Hmm. It's like a mother.
Let's see. Nice. Okay, what about this?
Yeah, it's like sister.
Very good. How about this one?
It's a grandmother.
Nice. This one?
Uh, it's a father.
Very good. Wow. So that was so easy. Okay. So perfect, Mayan. Now, Mayan, let's proceed with our reading and questions. So for this one, you just have to read about Albert's family. Okay. Now look at the text and read.
Hello, my name is Amber. I am from Australia. I am 24 years old. I am a doctor. I live in a small house in Sydney. I live with grandmother, my parents, and my younger sister. My grandmother is married and she is 82 years old, but she is still strong. Her hobby is reading books and listening to the radio. My dad is Peter and he is 50 years old. He is a teacher at a primary school. He loves sport and music. His favorite sport is football and his favorite kind of music is rock. My mom is Linda and he she is 48 years old. She is a teacher at a high school. She loves helping students. Her hobbies are painting and watching films. My younger sister is a student at secondary school. She loves dancing. My family is very happy. I love my family.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading this one. Mayan, there is only one word that you mispronounce. Okay, how do you read this?
Uh, Film.
Okay, say films. Films.
Film.
Very good. Okay, so do you have any question about Albert's family?
Uh, yes.
What is your question, Mayan?
I don't know primary school and high school.
Very good. Okay, so when we say primary school, this is when you are in grade 1 to grade 6. This is after kindergarten. Do you know kindergarten or preschooler?
Yes.
Okay. So primary school is the same thing with elementary level. Do you know elementary? When we are in grade 1
Yes.
to 6, we are elementary. That is primary school. Okay, for
Yes.
example, she is a teacher at a primary school. So that means he teaches grade 1 to 6. Okay, and when we
Yes.
say high school, this is in secondary level from grade 7 to grade 12.
Mm,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. So, do you have grade 11 and 12 in Vietnam?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes, very good. Okay, then that is high school. It's just that in the
Yeah.
Philippines, our high school is divided into two: junior high school and senior high school. Junior high school is from grade 7 to 10, and senior high school is from grade 11 and 12. That is what we call K to 12 program. From kindergarten until grade 12 program. That is the primary education in the Philippines. primary and secondary education in the Philippines. Okay, when we say
Yes.
tertiary, okay, here, I will just teach you this one. Tertiary, that refers to college level. Tertiary education, that is college level. After you finish your high school, then you will enroll in a university and you are now in the tertiary education or college level. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Very good. So any more question?
No.
Great. Now this time, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you question about Albert's family. Tell me something about Albert.
Mm, uh, uh, her name is Albert. She from Australia. She is 24 years old. She is a daughter.
Very good. Okay, so now how many people are there in her family?
Yeah. Uh, she have 3 people in her family.
Okay, we have grandmother, parents, mother and father, then younger sister. So
Yes.
there are 5 people in her family,
Uh,
including her. Albert,
oh yes.
grandmother, mother, father, and sister. Okay, now how old is her father?
Mm, her father was 15 years old.
Okay. And what does he do?
He is a teacher. He is a teacher at a primary school.
Very good. How old is her grandmother?
Her grandmother was 18, 82 years old.
Yes. Okay. Instead of saying was, you can say her grandmother is 82 years old because her grandmother is still alive and not yet
Yeah.
gone.
Yes.
Okay. So here, what are her hobbies?
Mm, her hobby is uh, reading books and listening to the radio.
Very good. Okay, tell me something about her sister.
Her sister is a student at secondary school. She loves dancing. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so well done, Mayan. So Mayan, tell me something, okay, about your family.
My family have 5 people. Is my dad, my mom, my brother, my sister, and me.
Very good. Thank you so much for answering that one, Mayan. And some of the questions here are already asked when we were talking about the vocabulary. Okay, so Mayan, it's already time, so we will just end here. Okay, do you have any question before I let you go?
No, teacher.
Okay, so have a good night and see you on Saturday, 6 p.m. Bye bye, Mayan. I hope you learned something.
Yes. Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.